Hey guys, it's me, Paul from Wrench It Up, and today we're going to be doing a small leak investigation that you can do before you call a plumber to make their lives easier, and you may be able to actually fix the problem yourself. So here we go. What you're going to need is a couple rags, a bucket, and sometimes a pair of pliers. Usually if you see a leak under your sink, it has something to do with the faucet, the drain assembly, or the sink itself. Now, you first want to empty out this cupboard and give it a wipe. And usually if you can actually find the source of the leak, take a picture or a video, you can often get some advice or give the plumber a better idea of what he actually needs to do when he gets there. So to test where the leak is actually coming from, you want to run the water and see, we kind of lucked out here because it looks like the leak is coming from this section right here. I'm just gonna give it a wipe, let the water run a little longer just to make sure, but also be sure to check all of the other fixtures on the drain assembly to make sure they're all tight, because when they are loose you will get the leakage. Okay, so that is exactly where it's coming from. What I'm going to do is turn off the water and just hand tighten it here. I'll come out with my pliers, sorry. Give it one turn. I'm gonna run it again. And no more leak. You can give your cupboard here a wipe down with some Pine Sol or whatever you need to do, and get all your items back in there. For this one, it was a lucky one. If it's a leak somewhere else, the job does become more difficult, and it's always recommended to have a professional do it. If you like this video, share, subscribe, ask us any questions that you want to know the answers to, and when in doubt, give us a call, 416-800-5050. Thanks.